My computer system just shut down the recording thing that I was about to say. Put it this way. These rocks are aluminium rocks put there by man. We're having a dithering effect there. Aluminium oxide is causing agrophobic effects on the water. The irony of having aluminium rocks in a water system when, look, they're trying to dither it. They're trying to move it around. This is my paranoia, but put it this way. With Dapter, you can move air particles around. So kids with those air guns, like poof, those smoke guns, they poof. What have the military got? If kids can make those, what have the military got? All right, counterterrorism. Basically, probable counterterrorism happening. Now, put it this way. If I take this one rock and put it in the water, and it's a poison, and then everyone drinks the poison, what happens? Well, put it this way. If this rock gets in between my ability to have fun and my ability to, what? Not need to buy constantly for that windfill. Dear world, aluminium oxides and aluminium sprays, rage juice, or they call it rape juice, it affects the physiological aperture of the third eye to experience calmness and bliss. So between the two amygdalas talking to each other, one says, don't do that. The other says, why don't do that? And then between those, the questioning system of why are you doing that, why are you not doing that? And then the centering of the middle eye of seeing what would happen each way. If you're angry with directly aluminium has a direct effect on the physiological form of the ability to center yourself. So as a meditator, I can directly tell you that if you have aluminium oxide, put it this way, this is the answer. All right, gypsum and aluminium. The water sources are poisoned with aluminium, full stop. If you combine it with a dust format, put it this way, what cleans water? Well, you want dirt out of the water, right? The impurities. But this thing actually cleans, like what happens when it rains, it filters through and gets this and collects. So when an elephant seeks water, what does it do? It drinks, when it seeks the salt. So it seeks this dust there. Look, what's this? This is a secret. See that dust there? It's a secret for calmness. If you put clay and gypsum dust in your water, so if you just have that, you get angry.